guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'm just gonna be showing you my makeup looks. Like, I'm probably gonna be doing a strawberry. I'm just gonna film like that because I can't really do a bunch of talking. Okay, I'm just gonna voice over this. So I'm just gonna put lotion on my face just to moisturize my face because it's not nice if it's dry. Then I'm gonna go with this foundation on my face and just blend it out. I love this foundation so much. And next I'm going to go in with some concealer under my eyes. I love making my eyes a little bit brighter. And then I'm gonna put some on my nose because I love that kind of giving it of a highlight. Next, I'm going to put it at the side of my cheekbones because I just love like a little bit of lifter on that side and a little bit brighter. And so I'm just gonna blend it out straight away. Normally I wait and then blend it out, but then I just want to do that quick because I don't have time to wait. Next, I'm going to be using this Milk Makeup Matte Cream Bronzer Stick. I'm just going to apply it to the side just to give it a little bit of a lift. And I'm going to apply it to my nose as well. Next, I'm going to be putting mascara on my eyebrows because I just like brushing it out because I don't know how to do eyebrows. So, yeah, you are. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. It's really hard to do, but yeah. And of course I have not blended the other ones out, but I just love drawing my eyeliner first before doing anything. So, and now I'm gonna blend the bronzer which I put before on my face because now it sits. Okay, I'm gonna be going in with this loose powder from Huda Beauty and just applying a little bit under my eye so that those oily the oily what the heck is it called, concealer is not there anymore. So I'm just gonna apply it under a little bit under my eye. And I'm also going to apply it on some other sides of my face that I feel like it's going to be oily or it's going to be very shiny. I don't like it being shiny. I just like it being all neutral and stuff, since I'm going for a strawberry kind of look. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to be using this Fit Me press powder in the shade of matte, and I'm just going to tap on my face and just cover it up so that just in case I get sweaty or it's gonna rain, I just like getting everything covered. All right, I'm gonna be going with this eyelash from Shein that I got on my face because I'm feeling a little bit lashy today. I feel like I want to do lashes, so that's what we're gonna do. Because in order to pop my eyes out, we need to do that. I'm just gonna concentrate because I actually need the concentration in order to do them. Ew. Yeah. All right. Next, I'm going to look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? So cute. Okay, I'm just gonna put like 3 strands of Rare Beauty blush on my cheekbones, kind of high up, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And of course, I'm gonna apply a little bit more on my nose because it's I want to give strawberry. So we're going with red. So we're gonna be going with red, and I don't like my nose being dry. I like it being a little bit warm. So I'm gonna put a little bit of blush there, and I'm just gonna blend it out. All right, and I forgot to say my lashes. Yipsies. I was rushing out already. Anyways, let me seal that in. A little bit of mascara under my eyes as well. Then I'm gonna go with this palette, and I think I was gonna red or something like brown, whatever color I had on my palette to make it a little bit strawberry kind of look. I'm just gonna put it in the color of my eye. And to finish it off with a Charlotte Tilbury Hairbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Okay, so I was rushing and I was trying to get I was just rushing in general, and I forgot to do my lip liner. So, anyways, I'm trying to do my lip liner right now. I love putting blush a little bit under my lips just to make it a little bit redder, and then I'm going to apply my red lipstick, and then put a little bit of lip gloss, that I got from the hair store. It's like strawberry flavor. Yeah, strawberry flavor. And of course, we are done. Would you look at that? I love that.